ClassX friends, this is IBC2024 booth tour where I will explain our setup. The first ClassX machine, this is doing the CG multi-channel. 4 channels of independent graphics are being streamed out of one machine only. It can do sports graphics, news, weather, and everything that is concerning real-time live graphics. In this second machine, we have the innovative mixboard, which is a software switcher. This is the Elitium machine. It is Elitium doing augmented reality and virtual set, managing 3 camera inputs. 2 of the cameras are PTZ cameras, so we have a controller for the Sony camera and we have this Canon controller. Also mention to our precious partners, we have Chromalight, who have provided us with their super quality paint. So we're over the reception now. This is the augmented reality studio part. We wanted to have a shiny floor in order to show the reflections of our augmented reality objects. Our partner Adcom, who has provided us not only with the lighting, but also a ton of other gear that we needed for the whole show that we are doing. Like for instance, these ISO monitors, 3 cameras that do feed the Elitium system for both the virtual set and for the augmented reality. Here we have Canon CR-N500, which is our little PTZ Canon camera that is standing on a Tecnopoint column. And the Tecnopoint column is special because it's not only as a robotic column that can go up and down and eventually can also be on a rail and do some horizontal movements, but it is also tracked. So Elitium will get only one 3D tracking data from the whole system composed of Canon camera and the Tecnopoint column. The second camera is our historical Sony BRC-H800 camera, who's on a statical shelf and is making the second camera. So we have a nice point of view from this little Sony camera that allows us to show how we handle the 3D scenes in our Elitium system that has, remember, a proprietary render engine, so it's not based on third-party render engines. Okay, let's move on here to this other partner, Cartoni. Cartoni making professional camera support, and this nice JiBo is the support for the EOS C500 Mark II camera of Canon that has a CN7011 cinematic lens. And this lens, of course, is encoded, and the encoder of the zoom and the focus go into the Koala tracking system, the Koala Crane tracking system. We have a koala here on top of the camera that is taking the pan, tilt, and also zoom movements of this encoded lens, and will send this 3D to the smaller koala who stands here, who sits here at the end of the Cartoni JiBo. And whenever we do move the Cartoni JiBo with all this gear on top of it, we will get, as Elitium, just one stream of 3D. This stream of 3D will be digested by our Elitium system and then translated into the virtual, either augmented reality or virtual set that we can render and then merge with the video input. Octopus is our partner for the MOS newsroom system. They provide a newsroom computer system and we provide the graphics for the television channels that need to show overlay graphics. So, see you in the next show!